Hello everyone, I welcome you all in a Kids International School virtual classes program, School at Home, Class 6, subject Mathematics. I am your mathematics teacher, J.M. Khan, and today we are going to continue our second chapter, whole number and exercise 2.1. So today we are going to practice exercise 2.1. So pull up yourselves and get ready for 2.1. Today in previous video we started our 2.1 and we did our first question, next three natural numbers of 10,999, and now we are going to start with our second question, which is about, second question is, write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. How much? Three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Just before 10,001. Okay, right? So three whole numbers. So how you will write answer? Okay. So first you have to rewrite this thing. Okay, and now hope you understood what you have to do in this before. Okay, before occur here. What is mean by before? That means we have to subtract one, right? So predecessor we are going to find out. Three predecessor of 10,001, right? So first one. Okay, first one. 10,001 minus 1. It will be equal to 10,001 minus 1 will be 10,000. Right? Next thing. What comes before? Then 10,000 minus 1. Then it will be 9,999. Right? Then again 9,999 minus 1. It will be equal to 9,998. Clear? See these three. So what you will write? 10,000, 9,999, 9,998. These three whole numbers will occur just before 10,001. Clear? So write it properly. This is how you will write your answer. Okay, after writing question in your fair notebook. So write it properly. 10,900, 9,999, 9,998. This is how we are going to write our answer. Clear? Next question. Hope this is clear to all of you. Let us proceed to our next question. That is question number 3. Okay. So let us start. Question number 3. We have, which is the smallest whole number? Okay. Okay. So before this question you have to know about whole number. What is mean by whole number? So you should be aware of this thing. What is mean by whole number? To find out which is the smallest whole number, then you can find out the answer. Okay. So what is mean by whole number? Numbers which starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, known as whole number. And which is the smallest number? The smallest number means from where it starts. That means 0. 0 is a smallest whole number. Right? 0 is the smallest whole number. Okay. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Next question. How many whole numbers there between 32 and 53, right? Okay, first how you will do it? Pause this video and try to solve it. Okay, then check. You will do it simply by traditional method, like you will write whole sequence, whole numbers like 32. Here from here you will start 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 49 and 50, 51, 52, 53. Right? So now you will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Clear? So how many numbers are there? 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 whole numbers are there. How you will write it? 20 whole numbers are there. Between 32 and 53. Clear? So now, if we are discussing about reducing our calculation time, so if you are going to write this whole thing, definitely it will consume 1 minute. As you can see over here, it already consumed our video of 1 minute, right? If I want to do it by simple calculation, what you will do? 53 minus 32 minus 1, you will get your answer. See, minus 1, why? Because these are excluded, right? 53, 1 is excluded now, that's why between these numbers, right? 53 minus 32, 3 minus 2, 1, right? And 5 minus 3, 2, 21 minus 1, right? So it will be 20. Clear? This is how it will work. 53, if you want to find out the number present between them, right? So you will subtract higher minus lower and you will subtract 1 from the result. Okay, result is 53 minus 32 is 21 minus we will subtract 1. So you will get 20 over here, that will be our answer. So you will write a statement in your answer. 20 whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. Clear? Hope this is clear for all of you. Let us proceed to our next question, that is question number 4. Which is question number 4. How many whole numbers are, it was question number 4. Okay, so write the successor of question number 5 we are going to take. Okay, write sequence of questions. Okay, previous question was question number 4, so don't panic, just check out in your book and write proper sequence of questions. That's it. Now question number 5, let us proceed to our question number 5. Write the successor of. What you have to do? You have to write successors. Okay, successors, you have to write successors. The first question is 244070 1. Right? So see, multiple things you can practice in it. First of all, you will write common. Okay, you can write in Indian universal system as well as in international universal system, doesn't matter. So what you will do here, you will read it like 24,40,701. Right? So what is mean by successor and how you will write the answer? You will write your question as it is first. Okay. Then for successor you will add. I am writing directly. Okay. Because I am a teacher. So you have to write first question. Then in answer write whole question as it is, then try to then write answer, like you will write plus 1 in it, and then you will write over here that will be your successor, that means 24 lakh 40,701. 702. Clear? So this is a successor of 24,40,701. You know what is mean by successor? Next number. Okay. B of the same question, that is question number 5, is 100, 199. 100, 199. How you will read it? 1,199. So if you will add it, add 1, so it will be 1,200. Right? Hope this is clear to all of you. 1,199. If I add 1, that means I am finding out successor. Clear? So C. Okay. What is C over here? 105 times 9. Okay. 105 times 9. So what is mean by 5 times 9? 10,99,999. You want to find successor, so find out. Okay, 99,999. So what will be the successor of 10,99,999? It will be 11 lakh. Clear? How come? 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 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 Clear? Carry 1 over here. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 as it is, so it will be 11 lakh. So here complication, here this is a little complicated thing. So while doing such problems of 999,999, pay attention and do it with full concentration to get it right. Okay. Many students make mistakes over here. This is very simple. 1 plus 1, 2. It is very simple. But when it comes to 99, it will be a little complicated. It will maybe for little distraction may result some error. Okay. May result some mistake. Okay. So be careful while solving of 99 successor, right? Next D. It is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Okay, this is your question. So how you will read it? 22,45,670 plus 1. Simply 0 plus 1, that is 71. 23,45,671. Right? Simple. So this is not problem. If you want to find out successor of this kind, only 99 when it is about 99,000 something. So there you have to pay attention. Okay, 23,45,000. Okay, 670. So note it. Question number 5. Note it, and let us proceed to our next question. That is question number 6, which is about predecessor. Okay, now it was about successor. Now next one will be of predecessor. So let us start. Next one is question number 6, I think. Yes. So predecessor, you have to write predecessors of the given number. The first one given is 94, right? First, 94. Clear? What is mean by predecessor? Just subtract 1 in it, and you will get predecessor. Predecessor means previous number, right? So hope this is clear. And now no need to record what is mean by successor and predecessor. It is clear to all of you. We repeat it multiple times. So 94 minus 1 will be equal to 93. It is a predecessor. 93 is a predecessor of 94. And second question, that is B, 10,000. Right? 10,000. What is the predecessor of 10,000? Simply minus 1. See, in successor we got little complication in 99 things when it comes to find out successor of 99 or 99,999 such problems. Here we have little complications to find out successor predecessor of 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, such problems where zeros are there in unit. Okay, so it will be 9,999. Okay, how? Here 10 minus 1, 9, 10 minus 1, 9, 10 minus 1, 9. Sorry, here we take borrow, 10 minus 1, 9. Here 9 remains, 9 remain, and 9 remain. That's it. 9,999. So next question is 2,08,090. Okay, that is C. 2,08,090. How you will do it? Simply by subtracting 1, right? That is equal to 2,08,000. Simple, clear, not a big deal. Try to solve D again. Okay, simple. So D is a PH, take PH or just pause the video and solve it. I am direct writing your answer for your tally, for your rechecking. Okay, pause video and solve D. Right? I am directly writing answer over here. It is 7654,321. So I am writing answer over here 7654,320 because predecessor of 21 will be 20 directly. Right? So next question is very interesting and important question. That is question number 7. Let us start our question number 7. See, what is it about? Question number 7. It is about in each of the following pair. Pair is given. First pair is given here 503 and 530. This is first pair given, right? 503 and 530. Okay. In each of the following pair of the number state which whole number is one of the left of the other number. Okay. On number line. Okay. Also write them with the appropriate sign. Okay. Which sign you have to use? First thing, what we have to find out which one is on the left. Left of another one, right? And second, right, appropriate sign. So first of all, which one will be on left? Again, I am writing for better understanding. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is number line. Why I am writing it? See, which one is on left? For example, I am taking comparison of 3 and 5. Which one is on left? 3 is on left of 5. Why? Because 3 is smaller. So which one will be on left of another one? Here, smaller is 503 or 530. You know how to compare it. 530, 503. Okay, 503 is less than or smaller than 530. That's why 503. That means 503 will be on left. Okay, of 530 on number line. Clear? Okay, first thing. First answer. Why it will be on left? Because it is smaller. A smaller thing will always be on left on number line. Clear? Make sure. Okay. 503 is on this is how you will write your answer. Okay. 503 is on left of 530 on number line. Clear? Next thing, write appropriate sign between them. Here 530 is given and 503. Right? see, this sign will give us indication which one is greater and which one is smaller. See, this open side, okay, this open side will show us if it is here, so 503 is greater. If I am writing like this, okay, open side indicates greater number, right? So this is a symbol which shows greater or smaller number. Okay, we use it in a we use this symbol for differentiation, right? Which one is greater and which one is smaller. So this one is greater, so open side will be here, and 530, our answer will be like 530 is greater than 503. Or we can read it, 503 is smaller than 530. Clear? I hope this is clear to all of you. Let us proceed to next question. Okay, so why 503 is on left of 530? Hope it is clear to all of you. Let us proceed to next question, that is B. And B is 370 and 307. Right? So which one is left? Which one on left? 307 is on left. You have to write full sentence, huh? I have a concession because I am a teacher. So you have to write full sentence. I am writing it in short. 307 is on left of 370. Right? Next thing, which one is greater? 370. 370 is greater than 307. Right? So this is how second question. Next question, that is C. Pair C is now number is a little large. C. Okay, 98,765 and 56,789. Okay, next question is 98,765 and 56,789. Okay, so which one is greater? Okay, so you know very well how to compare, right? First you will check digits, both have 5 digits. Then you will check left from leftmost digit of every number. Here is 9 and here is 5. So definitely it is greater. So this will be on left side. 56,789 is on left. Write full sentence, and after that, what? 98,765 is greater than 56,789. Clear? This is the answer. So I hope you understood all of this question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp in our live interactive session. Okay. So in next class, try to solve this remaining question, that means C and D, and question number 8, that is true and false. Hope we will discuss it. If you have any problem, so we will.